What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Wood and Resin Works. My name is Darius, and today we are going to make a slimline pen, and we're going to use this pink camo acrylic, which is very, very vivid, I gotta say, and it's gonna make for a juicy slimline pen. And let me tell you, I haven't done one of these acrylic ones in a long time, so hopefully my skills aren't too rusty at all. So we will see about doing this, and yeah, let's do this. Alright, so we are all set up now. We are ready to start cutting this down. So in this video, there are going to be at least 4 parts. One, we're going to cut the material down to size, and the second part we're going to do a full sand up to 500 grit, and then part 3 will consist of assembly. Actually, polish. Sorry, polish, and then part 4 will be then the assembly. So in this part, we're going to just trim this down, and then we will see what comes out. Got my gloves on, and safety glasses on. We are ready to rock and roll. Alright, welcome to this part of the video where I now sand the entire 2 bodies of the pen. So this is an 80 grit, and then we're going to go up to a 500 grit. So this is gonna end up being silky smooth at the end. Looking forward to that one. So What I'm going to do now, I'm going to get this set up to where both bodies are in compression so they won't move as I sand the two links. So I'm going to just turn that down, tighten that guy, make sure that's all good to go. And we are ready to sand. So let's turn this thing on and get to sanding. Alright, we are now ready to polish this guy. I got my gloves on, my nitrile gloves, and got the polisher, one-step polish, plastic polish. This guy is a very good choice for polishing plastic, and I got my paper towel here ready for use. So now we're just going to give this guy just a little shake, make sure everything's mixed up in there. Once that's done, we're going to lift the lid, pour a little bit out. A little bit's fine, we don't want too much, so that is perfect. Now we're going to turn on the lathe and get this polishing done. Alright, that wasn't too bad at all. So now we are officially done polishing this guy, and my gosh, you may not be able to see it on the GoPro, but from my view, it is very, very good looking. I mean, I can see the little LEDs reflecting off the surface of this thing. I mean, check that out. If you can see that, I mean, that's something. But yeah, we're done with polishing, and I'm really excited about the result out of this guy. And stay tuned as we assemble this thing. Alright, welcome to this assembly part. So here I got my bottom tip, my clip, my top, and the divider of the two bodies, and the main twist mechanism that will be the feature of this pen. So let's get started. First, we want to take our bottom pen tip and choose where we want to put it. So probably right there is probably the best spot. Now we want to just gently put it in like so. Adjust this bracket to a more appropriate position. Then we're going to take this handle and make sure that the edge is just on the edge of this pushing gram here. Then gently push that guy in like so without too much pressure. And that's the first part done. So now we are able to take this guy, have the gold end going in like that. Take this guy, move it to the right just a smidge more, since this bar is going to make this pen a little longer. So we want to do the same thing where we did at first, where we had it in the appropriate position. And this is the type of component that we want to make sure we have it in the exact depth, because this tends to be too far down the pen when you screw it in, or too far up. See, as you can see, we want to push it in a little bit more in there. So I'm going to put that ink cartridge there, probably move this guy up a notch more here. Take this handle, push it up against the ram, and gently push it in a little bit more. That's probably good. Let's see if the length is at the correct margin. And look at that, it is. We just want to get off this protective coat that's at the pen tip. Alrighty, so that's probably good right there. That's actually perfect. So now we want to take this divider, slip it in just like that. There we go. Now the last part is the clip itself. So now we want to take this guy, put it in like that, put it in at the ram, get it in position, and get it in position, and push that sucker in there. And ladies and gentlemen, we have a pink pen ready for use. Well, hope you guys liked that video. If you want to see more like it, please subscribe, and then put some comments in the bottom on what you thought of this video. And it's been a pleasure making. It's been nice making this pen. So, without further ado, I will see you in the next one.